There are several things that have blown my mind when it comes to contest prep. First one is how privileged is this sport. One, because you gotta have a lot of time to train, to cook, to focus on your self-care. You gotta have money to buy a suit or 2 suits, heels, registration, makeup, and on top of that, obviously food, gym membership, the coach preparation, posing coach, the amount of money you need as well to give yourself some pamper as you get closer to the show, because the more stressed you are, the harder it gets, and the more self-love and self-care you need. So you have to have some money to get something that gives you more fun, something to look forward to. Getting a massage, getting a facial, getting additional things that will just give you that extra happiness, that obviously the amount of focus and restriction that you have is likely not going to come from happiness, not going to come from food, or you just will need to find out different outlets. So this is one of the biggest things that I have discovered, and that has just impressed me so much. I admire so much people that can actually do this. A second thing that has blown my mind is, depending on your mindset, this sport can give you so much self-awareness, power, to know how you really overcome very hard things and obstacles that are physiological struggles, such as being fatigued all the time, energy deprived, being able to go against physiological hunger, emotional hunger, really think about your goals over and over and over, and whether things that you're doing are the right things to do. And a third thing that has blown my mind is me discovering how capable of doing hard things women are, and the human itself is capable of doing so many hard things that we don't even think that we can. And that is so empowering, because I saw myself before starting prep, like all of these things would be really, really hard, but I didn't even know what hard would mean until I actually started coming across all these different obstacles. But you going through the obstacles and actually overcoming some of these things and getting to the other side is just mind-blowing.